A statue is 1.6 meter tall, stands on the top of the pedestal. Suppose that is a pedestal. That is a pedestal. And statue is top of the pedestal. That is a height of the pedestal. And that is a height of the statue. Okay. AB is the height of the statue. BC is the height of the pedestal. BC is the height of the pedestal. Okay. From the point on the ground. Suppose D is the point on the ground. The point on the ground, the angle of the elevation of the top of the statue is point A. Yes or no? A statue is 1.6 meter tall. That length is 1.6 meter. AB is equal to 1.6 meter. Stands on the top of the pedestal. Top of the pedestal is point B. From a point on the ground, D is the point on the ground. Okay, the angle of the elevation means ऊपर की side of the top of the statue. Top of the statue is point A. Join the point A and D, and the angle is 60 degree. The statue is 60 degree. And from the point, the angle of the elevation from the point, same point, from the same point means point D. The angle of the elevation of the top of the pedestal means base of the statue, otherwise base of the statue. Top of the pedestal is angle 40 degree. That angle is 45 degree. That angle is 45 degree. Angle BDC is 45. Find the height of the pedestal, that is equal to h meter. BC is h meter. In the given information, in the figure, AB is equal to 1.6 meter, that is the height of the statue. BC is equal to height of the pedestal, that is equal to h meter. We take CD is equal to x meter, and AC is equal to h plus 160, 1.6, h plus 1.6 मीटर. ओके, इतनी इंफॉर्मेशन हमारे पास है और हमें फाइंड करना है BC. क्लियर? चलो, फर्स्ट वी टेक ए ट्राइंगल BCD. First we take a triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, which angle is 90? Angle C is 90. Okay. Therefore, that angle BDC angle is 45. BDC angle is 45. Therefore, tan 45. That is equal to formula BC divided by CD. BC divided by CD. What is the value of tan 45? 1. BC is equal to H. CD is equal to X. Therefore, H is equal to X meter. Okay. A जो height है और distance from the ground at the point D to C, that is equal to X. Both are equal if the angle is 45. अगर ये एंगल 45 होगा तो हाइट और उसका बेस क्या होगा? बोथ आर इक्वल. क्लियर? देन वी टेक ए नेक्स्ट ट्रायंगल ACD. इन ट्रायंगल ACD, in triangle ACD, which angle is 90? Angle C is 90. Therefore, tan 60 is equal to perpendicular divided by base, means opposite side of angle divided by adjacent side of angle, means AC divided by CD. What is the value of tan 60? √3. AC is equal to H plus 1.6 and CD is equal to X. But X and H both are equal. We already proved from resulting value 1. x is equal to h. Root 3 into h is equal to root 3 into h is equal to 1.6. h plus 1.6. Okay, h plus 1.6. Root 3, we find the value of h. H transposing right left side. H is common. H is common. Root 3 minus 1, that is equal to 1.6. Okay. Therefore, h is equal to 1.6 divided by root 3 minus 1. Okay. Denominator is irrational number. Rationalize the denominator. Then we multiply by root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1. Numerator is 1.6. Numerator is equal to 1.6 into bracket root 3 plus 1. Denominator is a minus b, a plus b. That is a square minus b square. A square minus b square means root 3 square minus 1 square. Root 3 square is 3. 1 square is 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 1.6 by 2. 0.8. Okay. 1.6. 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. 2 हो जाएगा. That value is 2. 1.6 root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. And that is equal to 0.8 into bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. What is the height of the pedestal? Height of the pedestal is 0.8 into bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. Clear? That is the height of the pedestal. The angle of the elevation of the top of the building. Top of the building from the foot of the tower. टावर के फुट से बिल्डिंग के टॉप का एंगल कितना है? 30 डिग्री. ओके. एंगल ऑफ द एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द टावर. यहाँ पे दो, एक बिल्डिंग और एक टावर है. ओके. एंड द एंगल ऑफ द एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द टावर फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग इज 60. बिल्डिंग के फुट से टावर का टॉप का एंगल कितना है? बिल्डिंग के फुट से टावर का टॉप का एंगल 60 है. ओके. तो किसका एंगल बड़ा है? टावर के साथ एंगल बड़ा बनता है. देखो फिर से, द एंगल ऑफ द एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. तो बिल्डिंग के टॉप पे फ्रॉम द फुट ऑफ द टावर. टावर के फुट से एंगल कितना है? टावर से फुट से बिल्डिंग का एंगल 30 डिग्री है. और सेकंड स्टेटमेंट क्या है? द एंगल ऑफ द एलिवेशन फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ द टावर. टावर के टॉप से बिल्डिंग के फुट का एंगल. तो टावर के टॉप के साथ एंगल कितना बना? टावर के साथ एंगल कितना बना? 60 डिग्री. तो जिसके साथ एंगल ज्यादा बनेगा उसकी हाइट ज्यादा होगी ऑलवेज. ओके. सपोज देखो, मैंने पहले ए ड्रॉ किया, अभी आइडेंटिफाई में नहीं करता हूं. ये एंगल क्या होगा? छोटा है. ये एंगल क्या है? हमारा छोटा है. The angle of the elevation of the top of the building. ये बिल्डिंग की टॉप है, BC, height of the building. That angle is 30 degree. And BC. CD is the height of the tower. That is a tower. The angle of the elevation of the top of the building. Top of the building is point A. From the foot of the tower. टावर के फुट के साथ एंगल कितना बनता है? 30 डिग्री. And second sentence, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower. Top of the tower at point D from the foot of the building is 60. ये एंगल कितने का होगा? इसमें ये एंगल 90 होगा. That angle is 60 degree. Okay. If the tower height is 50 meter. टावर की हाइट है क्वेश्चन में 50 मीटर. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग ये भी फाइंड करना है. ओके. सबसे पहले हमें डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टावर एंड बिल्डिंग फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद हम बिल्डिंग की हाइट फाइंड कर सकते हैं. हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग क्या लेंगे? h मीटर. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन building and tower is x meter. Distance between building and tower is x meter. First, we find the value of BC because opposite side of angle 60 is given, perpendicular is given. Then find the base of the triangle in triangle BCD. Here AB is equal to h मीटर जो हमें फाइंड करना है. BC हमने ले लिया, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टावर एंड बिल्डिंग इज x मीटर. CD is equal to height of the tower which is 50 मीटर. और बाकी सारे इंफॉर्मेशन एंगल की है. तो फर्स्ट वी टेक ए ट्राइंगल BCD. In triangle BCD, which angle is 90? Angle C is 90. Therefore tan 60, क्योंकि हमें परपेंडिकुलर साइड है, बेस फाइंड करना है. ओके, tan 60 is equal to CD by BC. What is the value of tan 60? √3. CD is equal to 50 मीटर. BC is equal to x मीटर. तो x और √3 को इंटरचेंजिंग करेंगे तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x? 50 बाय √3 मीटर. ओके, 50 बाय √3 मीटर आ गया. दैट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टावर एंड द बिल्डिंग इज 50 डिवाइड बाय √3 मीटर. हमें ये फाइंड नहीं करना, हमें फाइंड करना है हाइट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग. ओके, चलो अनदर ट्राइंगल. इन ट्राइंगल ABC, which angle is 90? Angle B is 90. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, tan 30, opposite side we have to find out and adjacent side is given. That means perpendicular हमें find करना है, base हमारे पास है. Tan 30, that is equal to AB by BC. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by √3. What is the value of AB? AB is equal to h and BC is equal to x. But x is equal to 50 by √3. X multiply with 1. X is equal to √3 into h, cross multiplication. What is the value of x? X is equal to 50 by √3. That is √3 into h. और ये √3 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन हो जाएगा. Therefore h is equal to 50 by √3 into √3. Therefore h is equal to 50 by 3 मीटर. ओके, अदरवाइज ये h को एज इट इज रखेंगे क्योंकि हमें h की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, x by √3. और ए भी √3 कहाँ जाएगा, एक स्टेप हमारा कम हो जाएगा. ओके, √3 मल्टीप्लाई विथ √3. उसके बाद ये स्टेप हम कैंसिल कर देंगे. And that is the height of the tower. H is equal to 50. √3 into √3 is 3 meter. Therefore, the height of a building that is equal to H is equal to 50 by 3 meter. Okay. In question number 10, two poles of equal height. That is a pole AB and that is a pole CD. Height of the pole, pole 1 and pole 2. Both are equal height. That is a height AB and that is height CD. Okay. Both are equal height. That is equal to h meter. That is also a h meter. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on the either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. Length of the road, that is the width of the road, is 80 meter. Total length is 80 meter. Total length, width of the road is 80 meter. From the point between them on the road, suppose the point lies between the road. P is the point. P is a point between the road and the distance is 80 meter. From a point between them on the road, the angle of the elevation of the top of the pole is 60 and 30 respectively. किसके साथ एंगल 60 होगा, ए या डी के साथ? जी, जो नजदीक पॉइंट होगा उसके साथ एंगल ज्यादा होगा. दैट एंगल इज 60 डिग्री। और जो दूर है, डिस्टेंस है, बीच में एग्जैक्टली नहीं ड्रॉ करना पॉइंट पे, ओके, बिकॉज बोथ एंगल आर डिफरेंट, ओके, बोथ एंगल्स आर डिफरेंट। फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द पोल एंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द पोल्स फ्रॉम डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देम। हमें फाइंड क्या करना है, एच भी फाइंड करना है, साथ में बीपी और सीपी भी फाइंड करना है। क्या फाइंड करना है, डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द पोल्स। सपोज that length is x meter, bp is x meter, what is the length of pc? तो 80 माइनस x होगा, टोटल लेंथ इज 80 मीटर, टोटल लेंथ इज 80 मीटर है टोटल लेंथ। बीपी हमने x ले लिया, तो सीपी क्या है, इसकी हाइट, सीपी की लेंथ कितनी होगी, बीसी बाय बीपी, बीसी माइनस बीपी, ओके, 80 माइनस x एंड द सम ऑफ द टू नंबर इज 80, ओके, क्लियर। चलो, and that is a right angle. First we take a triangle ABP. Okay, what is AB is equal to CD is equal to h meter. That is the height of the pole 1 and 2. Both are equal height. BC is equal to 80 meter. Let BP is equal to x meter. Then CP is equal to 80 minus x meter. कितना क्लियर हो गया। चलो, वी टेक ए ट्राइंगल एबीसी एबीपी। इन ट्राइंगल एबीपी which angle is 90, angle B is 90, therefore tan 60 is equal to AB by BP, AB by BP है ना, tan 60 perpendicular divide by base, perpendicular divide by base, tan 60 value is √3, AB is equal to H, BP is equal to X, therefore H is equal to √3 into X meter, H is equal to √3 into X meter. We take another triangle CDP. In triangle CDP, which angle is 90? Angle C is 90. Tan 30, it is perpendicular divided by base. Tan 30 is equal to क्या है, formula CD divided by CP. Yes or no? CD divided by CP. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by √3. CD is equal to H. CP is equal to 80 minus X. CP is equal to 80 minus X. Cross multiply. 80 minus X is equal to √3H. What is the value of H from resulting value 1? H is equal to √3 into X. √3 into X. Okay, H की वैल्यू क्या है, √3 into X. √3 into √3, 3. Therefore 80 minus X is equal to 3X. X is transposing right side. 3X plus X equal to 80. Therefore 4X is equal to 80 meter. Therefore X is equal to क्या होगा, 20 मीटर। तो 60 के साथ जो एंगल होगा BP, उसकी लेंथ कितनी होगी, विड्थ, BP is equal to X is equal to 20 meter and CP is equal to 80 minus X is equal to 80 minus X, that is equal to 80 minus 20, 60 meter. Okay, and also we find the height of the pole. AB is equal to CD is equal to H, that is √3 into X, 20 √3 meter. That is the height of the pole. AB is equal to 20 √3 meter. Okay. Question number 11. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank. बैंक के पास एक खड़ा है TV tower. That is a tower. TV tower. And the height is H meter. The height of the tower is AB. Height of the tower is AB. From the point of the other bank, from the point of the other bank, that is a point C, that is another point D. From the point of the other bank directly opposite to the tower, tower की opposite direction में है. The angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 60. That angle is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the ground, the angle of the elevation of the top of the tower is 30. And that distance is 20 meter. 20 meter away from the bank of the river. And the remaining angles and the angle of the elevation is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. Okay, find the height of the tower. Chalo. First we take a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, tan 60 angle है opposite side, otherwise perpendicular divided by base. AB by BC. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3 h divided by x. Therefore, height of the tower is root 3 into h is equal to root 3 into x meter. Height of the tower क्या होगी? Width of the canal multiply root 3 कितनी होगी? Canal की width से root 3 मीटर ज्यादा होगी. In triangle ABD, angle B is 90 degree. Tan 30 degree that is equal to AB by क्या होगा? BD. AB divided by BD. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. AB is equal to h. BD is equal to x plus 20 meter. Okay? BD is equal to x plus 20. Multiply with this. Cross multiplication. Root 3h is equal to x plus 20. Okay? What is the value of h? H is equal to root 3 into x. Put this value. Root 3 into x is equal to x plus 20. Okay, from resulting value 1. Root 3 into root 3, 3x is equal to x plus 20. 3x minus x is equal to 20. 2x is equal to 20. Therefore, x is equal to 10 meter. X की value आ गई 10 meter. Therefore, width of the canal is 10 meter. Okay, width of the canal is 10 meter. And the height of the tower, height of the TV tower, root 3 into x, root 3 into 10, h is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Okay, therefore, width of the canal, that is equal to x is equal to 10 meter, and the height of the TV tower, height of a TV tower, that is equal to h is equal to 10 root 3 meter, and that is required answer. Okay.